To connect a Xiaomi Redmi Buds 6 Active into the Xiaomi earbuds application, first of all you'll have to just download it on your phone and click open. Right now click to agree to the user agreement. Now you will have to choose your region, and if it doesn't work, you can try to actually switch from your current region to the China. But in my case, everything is fine, so I'm gonna select Poland. Then click next, next, and click smart. Then accept this permission, and you will have to right now grab your earbuds with both earbuds inside, open this cover, and click and hold this button. Then take a look for this indicator. When it starts blinking quickly, you will have to release. Then click to add earphones. Scroll, tap agree for this permission, accept another permissions, and as you can see right now we can find the Redmi Buds 6 active. If they are not here, you can still try to search for them in this place. But basically select them from the list. We have to keep them close to our device. And now we have to accept this pairing request. And we have to just be patient and wait until we will be successfully connected. So it will take around a few moments. As you can see, we are already connected by the Bluetooth settings. We can find it just right here. When you click and hold it, we are connected successfully. And now as you can see, it actually keep connecting them. Now we can try to go back again, and let's try to add earphones another time. Select them one more time, and as you can see right now we are successfully connected. Thanks for watching. Right now please subscribe.